All right, guys. So now we're going to talk about restricted keywords. If you're doing a listing optimization, and if you're planning to put some keywords in your listing or in your back-end search term, you want to be extremely careful of not using these keywords. So let me go and share it with you. Now, this doesn't mean that you cannot target through PPC. In PPC, you can do anything. Break all the rules possible. Amazon doesn't care and they don't care. But in your listing, you want to be very, very, very sure that you're not going to use these. Any of these keywords you use, and if it's detected by the algorithm, your listing can be suspended, it can be taken off, and it gets so worse that their service is terrible. Let me tell you, you don't want to go through that process. Okay, I'm going to share with you guys the list of the keywords that are restricted, but just to go over it, you see, all natural. Never write all natural, because what's the guarantee that the product is natural? So you don't want to use antibacterial, antifungal, antimicrobial, bacteria, biodegradable. You gotta be out. Do not use any of these keywords. Along with this, do not target any brand names in your listing or even your back-end search term. And even if it's your own brand name, do not target it, please. You don't want Amazon to catch you. They're the toughest of them all. They will use everything in their listing, but they will not let you use anything. Okay, so be very, very careful. I'm just going to go through them, and because all of these, they're related to some kind of disease or some kind of something, something very, very important. And you don't want to assure your clients that this is 100% perfect. If it's FDA approved, you have to show Amazon the certificate of the FDA approval. And even after that, sometimes they even deny taking such products. So you just want to be extremely, extremely careful of not using such keywords and protect yourself from any harm from there. Now, let's look at some of these keywords and let's target them. Excuse me. Let's look at the keywords and let's target them through Amazon. So all natural. Now this is by using PPC. Okay. Paste, natural, take out. I'm gonna try like 3 of the keywords so you guys can understand how you can target on PPC and how you can really make money on these keywords that are restricted on Amazon. And we are going to take one more keyword phrase. Let's do bacteria. Okay, so while this is loading, let's look at the other. So you can target any keywords you want. You can even target Amazon. You can use Google Translate, target Amazon and misspells, target Amazon and Google Translate with French, Spanish, every language you can think of, or just choose Amazon to give you every language possible. Then you can use this Amazon as misspelled. Go after every keyword that you can get and target them. Believe me, in PPC, there's more money in PPC than there's in organic sales. And if you're moving like, let's say, if you're moving like 500 to 1,000 units per day, which is possible, easily possible, and you're doing PPC on the other side, and you're extracting another 5, 6, 2,500 sales from there. That's a lot of money, man. That's a lot of money there. Okay, let's look at this. Let's look at the results. So all natural is giving us 100,000 results. Now you may think that all natural is probably, you would probably think it's a detergent or it's a shampoo, body cream, food, toothpaste, but like this one, bath bombs. See how they wrote organic and natural. They didn't write all natural. If you write all natural, look at them. Aluminum free, natural is fine. So gotta be very, very careful on the words you choose. Okay, I'm going to include this restricted keyword list with you guys, so you know. Sometimes you can get by through Amazon, but if they catch you like this one, see? So it's all natural fabric. Now that's a tough one. If they catch you, then now some of the listings have been grandfathered in. Anybody selling on Amazon before 2018 and before, they have grandfathered in. So they're not bothering such listings. Maybe this particular seller is a grandfather in, because I'm shocked to see this product over there on Amazon. Let's see, when did they start the launch? First available, 2021, man. They're brand registered still. Shouldn't use this, all natural. But it's their luck. God bless them. I know Amazon will bless them, but God bless them. Antibacterial, you can see 10,000 results, 30,000 results. So all those restricted keywords, you can go and target them. You will see some competition because these are some powerful keywords. You will see some strong competition here, but these are also some strong keywords in Amazon. So if you want to target them through PPC, the cost will be quite expensive. So you want to do your research before you do it. And that's about it. So I wish you guys the best. I hope you guys understood. This has been a huge chapter. And any questions, concerns, please feel free to reach out to me. This is Sanjay Wadhwani with Liazon Marketing. I'm going to share all this information with you guys. I wish you all the best. So the next course will be about listing optimization. We'll talk about listing optimization and take it through the next process. All right. Thank you so much for watching. Have a blessed evening. Bye-bye.